Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we start Ayyatul Kursi. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah, La mean no, Ilaha God, Illa except, Huwa him, Allahu la ilaha illa huwa. Allah, there is no God except Him. Huwal Hayyul Qayyum. He is Al Hayyu, the ever living. Al Hayyu mean the ever living. Al Qayyum, the sustainer of everything. Al Qayyum mean the sustainer of everything. Allahu la ilaha illa huwal hayyul qayyum. There is no God except Allah, and He is ever living and sustainer of everything. La ta'khuzuhu sinatun wala naum. La not ta'khuzuhu overtakes him. Ta'khuzu mean overtakes, who mean him. We are using ta because sina is and naum is feminine. Okay, la ta'khuzuhu does not overtakes him, does not overtakes him. Sinatun drowsiness. Sina mean drowsiness. Or it is also called slumber in English. Wala naum and sleep. So drowsiness, slumber and sleep does not befall on him, does not overtakes him, does not befall on him. Lahu belongs to him. Lahu belongs to him. Ma what? Fi in as-samawati, the heavens, the skies. Wa ma and what? Fil ardi, in the earth. Fil ardi, in the earth. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. To whom, to him belongs whatever is in the skies and whatever is in the earth. Lahu ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard. To him belongs whatever is in the skies and whatever is in the earth. Man who, za the one, za mean the one, allazi who, yashfa'u can intercede, yashfa'u can intercede, in the with who him, in the who with him, in the who with him, illa except, illa except, biiznihi, bi mean by, izn permission, he his, biiznihi by his permission, illa biiznihi except by his permission. Man zallazi yashfa'u indahu illa biiznihi. Who is the one who can intercede about anyone with him except by his permission? Okay. Ya'lamu, he knows. Ya'lamu, he knows. Ma what? Ma what? Baina. Baina here it is an harf but we will not go into detail. We'll just say is. What is? Ma baina, what is? Aydihim, before them. Aydihim, before them. Wa ma khalfahum, and what is after them. Ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum. He knows what is before them and what is behind them. وَلَا يُحِيطُونَ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنْ عِلْمِهِ إِلَّا بِمَا شَاءَ. Wala and nut. Wala and nut. Yuhituna, they encompass, they understand. Yuhituna, they encompass, they grasp, they understand. Bishayin, of anything. Bishayin, of anything. Min, of, or from. Min of, it also means from. Ilmihi, his knowledge. Ilmihi, his knowledge. Then they don't understand, they don't encompass anything from his knowledge. Illa, illa except bima sha'a, bima what sha'a he wills. Illa bima sha'a, except of the what he wills. They don't understand anything from his knowledge except what Allah wills them to understand. Wasiya. Wasiya means extends. Wasiya extends. Kursi means throne. Kursi means throne. Kursiyuhu, his throne. Kursiyuhu, his throne. As-samawat, the heavens, the skies. Wal arda, and the earth. His throne extends the heavens and the earth. His throne extends the skies and the earth. وَلَا يَئُودُهُ حِفْظُهُمَا. Wala and not. Yaudu, ties, our ties. Who, him. Wala yauduhu, and does not ties him. Hifzu, protecting. Huma, both of them. And protecting both of them does not ties him. And protecting both of them does not ties him. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ, and he is the most high, the most great. وَهُوَ الْعَلِيُّ الْعَظِيمُ, and he is Aliyu, the most high, Al-Azim, the most great. If anyone has any questions, she can ask me.
Yes. How do we try translate Bishayin?
Be Shayin, be mean of, in anything.
Of anything.
So they don't understand, they don't encompass anything from his knowledge
Okay.
except what Allah wills.
And was Hifdu protect?
Yes, hifz mean protecting, hifzu mean protecting. Huma, both of them. Both of them mean the
Okay.
earth and the skies.
Okay, thank you.
Who wants to recite this?
I read, sir. Bismillah. Recite, sir.
Okay, recite it.
Shall I read it, sir?
Alhamdulillah. Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم الله अल्लाह ला नहीं इलाहा कोई इला इल्ला सिवाय हुआ वो है वो हय्यु जिंदा कय्यूम कायम रहने वाला ला नहीं
Miss
जी
Rabia.
यस सर
No need to translate right now, okay? We'll translate it next time, inshallah.
Okay, okay. Bismillah. لا تأخذه سينة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.
Read this one again.
لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم.
Sinatung wala. Put the sound into your nose.
Okay. سنة ولا نوم.
What is the meaning of this small word written here? Why they have written this here?
Sorry, sir.
Why this small wow is written here? What is the purpose of it? Anyone can tell me? They are
Mad.
telling you,
Mad. To beat.
yes, they are telling you that you need to pronounce two sounds here, long sound, okay? Ta hozu hu. So I am reading who sound twice long, okay? You need to hold it, you need to stretch it. Ta hozu hu sinatum wala no. Okay? Any question? So next time inshallah we'll continue from here. Ma salama.